Paano matulog? Close your eyes na. Sleep.
Sige na, sleep na.
Sleep na, sleep. Sleep.
Kanina pa niya sinusubukan.
Sleep.
Sleep na.
Pikit mata.
Close na your eyes.
Tulog ka na? Sleep na. Pilitin mo matulog. Sleep. Oh. Close your eyes. Call mo si Daddy.
Daddy!
Bella, matulog ka na. Wala tayong pupuntahan. Matulog ka
Close your
talaga.
eyes.
Now!
Sleep na.
Hello.
Kanina walang reklamo sa akin. Sa
Flexible.
Tulog na.
Go to bed.
No.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
Aray. Ay, susi.
Cheers.
Cheers kay Tita Jobel.
My water.
Ito na.
Water.
Ayun na kay Tita Jobel.
Cheers.
I must do water.
Cheers na.
Mommy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
One,
Wow.
two, three. Cheers.
Wow. Amazing. Baliktad naman eh. Dapat dito ka sa horse. Mommy send? Fire truck. Let's send this to Daddy. Okay. Wee. All done. No more. Are you happy? Are you happy? Huh?
Help me.
Ano help you?
Help me.
Why?
Help me, please.
Okay. You're so loud.
Wow.
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Balloons.
What's that?
Balloons.
Balloons. Good job. Let's follow Tita Jobel. Tita Jobel.
Dog.
Dog. Dog.
Dog.
Yes.
Tita Bell. Tita Bell. Tita Bell.
Why you're ingay, Bella? Why you're so
Tita
ingay?
Bell. Tita Bell.
Tita Jobelita. Are you having fun?
Sapping, sapping, sapping. And then there's a place. And the shadow. Whoa, whoa, sapping.
You want Mickey Mouse in your next birthday? Bella?
Mickey Mouse. Nice balloons.
Or baka hindi tatagal masyado yung snow. It's nice ko eh. Look at me. Hindi nagaya ka.
The dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Why? 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 Why?
Yeah, ang mga ganyan. Nabili naman. Pinabox niya.
Doon, nagbenta kami.
Oo.
Tingnan mo kasi pala. Yung umbrella yung ipang.
Look at mommy. Bella. Say hi to daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Good job. Let's go. Ask for money.
Where are you going?
Go inside.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Hi.
Wait lang.
Go.
Say hi daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Again.
Hi,
I'm going
Daddy.
shopping.
I'm going shopping.
No, Mom.
Can you give me money? Magnet.
Say mag.
Meg.
Magnet.
Meg.
Oh.
Say hi daddy. Where are you
Hat.
going? Bella, where are you going?
You going, Mom.
What are you gonna do in the mall?
Ganito tong ano na pilipit.
Going.
Shopping? I like your glasses. Say thank you, Tita Jubel. Bella.
I think you did that.
Thank you. You welcome.
Tita Abel.
Say magnet.
Magnet.
Mag.
Head.
Maghead.
Maghead.
Head.
Magnet.
Head. Head.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head.
Are you a mommy, Bella? You're a cute mommy, Bella. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby.
Kanta ikaw, happy birthday, Ninong Beans. Happy birthday, Ninong Beans. Louder. One more time.
No.
Okay, ready, set, go. Happy birthday. Don't eat that. Happy birthday, Ninong Beans. Bella, what are you doing?
Is that?
Are you having a nail polish, you silly girl?
Yes, mom.
That's amazing. Can I look at your fingers? Wow. Do you like it? You like it?
Don't touch it, ha. It's wet pa.
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Oh.
Do you like it?
Bella, do you like it? Bella.
You like it?
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Wow, amazing. Ganda. You say thank you, Tita Jobel. You're ready. You're ready to bed.
Oh, blow mo, ha. Blow.
Blow the candle. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Don't touch it. It's still
Don't touch it
wet.
yet. Let me see your fingers. Wow.
Princess.
Like that, like that. Are you a princess? Are you a princess?
No. My glasses.
My glasses. Nahulog yung sa...
Can I say? Oh, no!
What happened?
Get it.
What happened?
Oh. Oh, no. Be careful.
No, can you open it now? Uh-oh.
Oh no. Put it.
Put it what? Can you open it? Can you open your watermelon?
Oh no.
Open it.
Help me.
Help you what?
What's up? Do you wake up?
Do you wake up?
Do you stick?
Be careful. It's still wet. Blow mo, blow.
I can't believe you put drawings. Ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, but honey, it's your name. Sabi niya, gano'n.
Wow. Is it nice?
Galit pa rin siya, pero nakangiti.
Wow.
Hi. 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 Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi. Hi.
Did you show Daddy?
Hi. Hi. Hi! 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 Hi!
Grabe.
Hoy!
Actually,
Thank you so much for the compliment.
Can I see your
thought
fingers?
of conceptualizing a house like this. Because our first
Wow,
home,
I like it.
we were...
I like it.
Well, I mean, I like it already.
You
but
like
Doug
it?
said, you know, honey, I don't think this will be our last home.
Smile.
Our
Say
first house was
cheese.
pretty much the
Say
basis
cheese.
of the
Yes.
second one.
Stick.
And one thing that was
Stick.
missing was a bigger
Okay.
lot. And that's
Say
why we
cheese.
had to move outskirts of the city, di ba? That was just bluff.
Hala. Madami mo. Ito.
Let's go. I like your short bag.
Bilang ka na ito.
Short na lang, tita.
Hindi ka naman nagsushort.